Story of Shah Rukh Khan, the King of Bollywood. Once upon a time, in New Delhi, India, a boy was born on the 2nd of November 1965. His name was Shah Rukh Khan. No one knew that one day this small town boy would become the King of Bollywood. Shah Rukh grew up in a middle class family. His father, Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, was a freedom fighter, and his mother, Latif Fatima, was a kind and caring woman. From childhood, Shah Rukh loved acting and sports. He used to perform in school plays and dreamt of becoming an actor one day. He studied at Street Columba School and later went to Hansraj College, Delhi University. After that, he studied theatre arts at Jamia Millia Islamia. During college, he joined a theatre group and started learning acting seriously. In the late 1980 seconds, Shah Rukh started his career with television shows like Fauji and Circus. People loved his energy and smile. Soon, he moved to Mumbai to try his luck in films. At first, life was not easy. He had no big contacts, no money, only dreams and hard work. In 1992, he got his first film, Deewana. The movie was a hit, and Shah Rukh became famous overnight. After that, he gave many successful movies like Bazigar, Dar, and Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, a film that made him a legend. Over the years, Shah Rukh Khan became one of the biggest film stars in the world. People started calling him King Khan. He worked in over 80 movies, won 14 Filmfare Awards, and made millions of fans around the globe. But Shah Rukh's story is not just about success. It's about hard work, never giving up, and believing in yourself. He once said, "Success is not a good teacher. Failure makes you humble." Today, Shah Rukh Khan is not only an actor but also a producer, businessman, and inspiration for millions. He lives in Mumbai with his wife Gauri Khan and their 3 children Aryan, Suhana, and Abram. From a small boy in Delhi to the King of Bollywood, that's the story of Shah Rukh Khan, the man who taught the world to dream big.